What's up, guys? Alright, not a crazy day today. We're going to meet up with Anthony, who's in the other Civic. And then we're going to meet up with our buddy Jack and take some photos of our cars, both mine and Anthony's. And yeah, that'll be today's video. What's up, bro?
Purples are nuts.
Thank you.
What's going on?
What's up? Long time no see.
How's it going?
All right.
I've got tire shine. We're gonna shine these up, and then I'm gonna grab your jacket, and then we're good to go.
Sounds good. I can hear mine. I can hear mine.
Go to Anthony's.
I can't hear his at all. I can hear it. I'll roast him when he comes out. Your car's kind of quiet over there. Your car's kind of quiet over here. I can't hear your exhaust. All right, we're going now?
Yeah.
All right.
You know how to get there?
I'll just follow you. Yeah, I'll just follow you. Alright, we got to the spot. A lot of it seems to be closed, like that over there, it's taped off. Anthony's right up there, talking to security guard if we could get in there just to take a few pictures. No? We can? Alright, bet. What do you say?
He said we're good as long as we're not there for too long.
Okay.
So let's just park up, wait for Jack, and then we'll hop in.
Sounds good. Just here waiting for Jack. As soon as we get on the highway, this guy's like, you want to race?
Got them.
Alright, got him. So Anthony told me that at school, someone hit his car. Oh.
It was in a parking garage too. I had it parked up, just sitting there. I backed it in. So somebody must have fucking tried to back in, but fucked up.
Yeah. This guy. Oh no! You know he did that for the camera.
That's a bad.
What's up?
What up? How's it going?
Oh, bro. Oh, that's fire. My boy Jack the professional over here. This guy took a picture of my ass. This guy. Alright, we went from taking photos of our cars to taking photos of Anthony over here. This guy.
Gotta get the Tinder game up, my G. That's 2 out of satisfaction.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. No, I ain't seen any photos yet. What we got?
Yeah, a couple. This one's a badass, but beside the pool.
Damn, dude.
Oh,
Oh, that would have been so good too.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.